Welcome back to the Raina's Kitchen. All right, so I am going to do deep fried turkey. This was actually Thanksgiving. I've been so busy, under the weather, so many things going on with the holiday season. So see, this is me right here. I was just devouring this deep fried turkey. It was a 10-pound turkey. I fried it in my mash-to-built deep fryer, and I'm gonna show you how I started it. All right, so first I brine the turkey. You can brine your turkey overnight, 24 hours, or even 4 hours. All I did was probably about a gallon of liquid. You can use water, you can use beer. I added like 2 cans of Red Stripe to this, so it's about a gallon. I use, some brine will say use 1 cup of salt, but I use about half a cup of salt. You can put pimento seeds, you can put thyme, anything. Basically hot water and half cold water. I'm just trimming it up right here. So when you brine the turkey or chicken or anything, it basically seeps in and it's like seasoned to the bone. All right, but I did not use a lot of salt because I'm gonna also season this with some jerk seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning, but you have to wash the brine off, okay? Make sure you wash it off, but it's already soaked in. Like I said, you can brine your turkey 24 hours and or even, you know, anywhere 4 to I would say about 4 to 8 hours. All right, so after I wash it off, I'm just adding some oil, give it that nice, you know, allow the seasoning to stick a little better. I add some all-purpose seasoning, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to use about 2 big gulps, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons of jerk seasoning along with some jerk marinade. So probably about 2 and 1. This is that Walker's Wood jerk marinade with Red Stripe. All right, so, and green seasoning. This is a blended version of my green seasoning. You can find this recipe if you scroll down on my channel. It goes great with everything. And annatto seeds give your meat the best flavor. This tastes good on jerk or pork or anything you're using. I'm just grinding up in my mortar. And all of my kitchen tools you can find right on my Amazon storefront. I am going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure you head on over to my Amazon storefront and follow me on Amazon, and make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button right here and the notification bell. All right, so I'm also adding some sweet chili sauce. I use Frank's Red Hot. It's the best to me. All right, and your turkey needs some color, so I add some browning and some Worcestershire sauce. Probably about a couple tablespoons of that Worcestershire sauce, or you can use wine. I didn't have any more ginger wine, so I'm using this, or you can use, you know, anything to, you know, let it marinate in. And then this, I would say at least allow this to marinate for about another 4 to 8 hours, or you can do it overnight as well. So some, you know, that nice jerk deep fried turkey. And if you see, I kept my chicken, sorry, not chicken, my turkey neck. I have a turkey neck recipe on here as well. You can also scroll down. You can do brown stew turkey neck, cook it like oxtail, get to oxtail, or you can actually fry it as well. You know, I love chicken neck, turkey neck. They're all, you know, very good. So I'm just making sure the seasoning is underneath the skin is the main thing. It's gonna be nice and juicy. All right, and if you have a syringe, you can also, you know, suck out some of the juice and inject it. It's like a, you know, it's an injector. I always call them a syringe, but yeah, it's a little injector. You can just use it to inject, because, you know, turkey, you don't want that dry, non-flavorful turkey. You need something with some seasoned to the bone. This turkey was seasoned to the bone, and like I said, it's the brine, and then rinse that brine off, and then add your own seasoning, but don't over season because it will be too salty if you do. All right. Okay, so it is good to go, and this is a brine bag. See how big? Actually, my turkey was 10 pounds. I could actually literally have fit, I'd say maybe a 25 to 30-pound turkey in this bag. I don't like the turkey that big because the master built deep fryer, I mean, I think it fits. This is a XL. It fits about maybe up to a 15-pound turkey. So this one was good, perfect size. And yep, like I said, this master built, you can find it on my Amazon storefront. You can find the ring light, the gloves, the bag, anything you're looking for right on my Amazon. You can't find the turkey on there though. All right, so that you just pick up at your, in your local store. All right, so see how huge this basket is? You can fry the whole turkey, so you can do a whole chicken. Since I got this master built, I've pushed everything else to the side because it fries everything so easy. All right, so and I actually bought the deep frying peanut oil. It's a 3-gallon box. You can pick it up anywhere, Walmart, even Home Depot sells it. And the turkey will be submerged in the oil. And all you need to do for every pound, you're going to give it 3 to 4 minutes in the deep fryer. So this was like, no longer than 40 minutes. And this turkey was ready, nice and crispy and perfect, okay? All right, so make sure you fill this with enough oil so your turkey submerges all the way down. All right, so see, this is what it looks like, and you don't have to flip it or anything. But yeah, see how nice and tender it was. So easy to separate. You ever go to the fair and buy those deep fried those smoked turkey legs? Yeah, this is similar to that. So it was so good. Make sure, like I said, you give this recipe a try. Tell me how you like it. Do you deep fry? Do you bake your turkey? But like once you deep fry your turkey, you'll never bake your turkey again. Or I mean, you can smoke it in the smoker. That's another option. All right, so it's time to slice this up. I started to use the knife, but I'm gonna revert to my meat shear, which is cuts everything a lot easier. I had to put my gloves on because you see it's still smoking hot. Look at that, nice bird. See how easy it separates? So it's nice and tender. It was moist, it's juicy. It tastes just like jerk chicken, to be, it tastes like eating jerk chicken. Trust me, it don't taste nothing like eating a turkey. So definitely something you'll enjoy. Look how easy the wings separated. All right, so no more dry turkey. Look how easy this slices, carve, whatever you want to do. This was so delicious. Let me give you a close-up view. All right, and I did add my glaze to it, which is just a little ketchup, a little jerk seasoning, some pineapple juice. You can add a little rum or wine and some sweet chili sauce, and you could just, right there, just top it up. And all right, so thank you guys again for watching. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.